Hi everyone, and thank you once again for joining me. Today I have here with me a product from Insta360 called the Insta360 Link. Now this is an AI-powered 4K webcam, first released in August of 2022. Since then, Insta360 has released two more webcams, the Link 2 and the Link 2C. Now out of the two, the Link 2 is the more powerful of them. Now comparing this original Link to Link 2, they both share almost very similar image and video quality because they both have the same sensor. However, the processing inside the Link 2 is slightly more superior than this Link. Hence, you will see HDR 4K available on the Link 2, whereas HDR is only available at 1080p on this Link. Then the other difference is that this Link is a 3-axis gimbal, right, whereas the other one is on 2-axis. Yeah. So right now I'm just going to do an unboxing, okay, and see what are the stuff inside. There's the front. Here you can see all the features: 4K video, half sensor, AI tracking, all of this. And it's got noise cancelling microphones and privacy mode as well, whiteboard recognition. Top and base. All right, so now let's open it up. Okay. There you go, the cool looking Link webcam. So this is the webcam. It's a 3-axis gimbal. And at the base, you can also mount it you can mount it on a tripod. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So this is one. What else do we have in the box? Some booklets, warranty card, quick start guide. Okay. Now if you scan this, you get the Insta360 Link controller, video tutorials, and quick start guide. Okay. Right, and this is the whiteboard marker. Okay, I'm not going to take it out, because basically what it does is you use this marker to mark the boundaries of your whiteboard. So the tracking will be done within these 4 markers, right? And then this one is this is a pretty long USB Type-C to Type-C cable. Okay, I'm not sure about the length. And if you don't have a USB Type-C on your computer, then they have also provided you a USB Type-C to Type-A adapter. That is this one. So these are all the contents in the box. And if I were to take this off. So this is the base. You can connect a tripod over here. At the back here you have the USB Type-C connection to connect this webcam to your computer. And this is the front. You got those two holes here for noise cancelling microphones. And if you tap it twice over here, apparently it will center the lens. And to clamp it onto your setup, you can pull it up this way. And it's pretty sturdy. It's not loose, that's what I meant to say. Right, so yeah, this is the whole unit in itself. So this is my quick unboxing of this product from Insta360. Overall, I'm happy with the product, though I have not used it because going through the review, it's been an amazing product. And just recently, they have also given the update for wireless connectivity using your mobile phone. So this product is being actively supported by the company, so which is a good sign. The only negative thing I found about this product is that it is pretty expensive. Okay, they should have at least. I expected a box to be included, a carry case, like in the GoPro, you know, because when you buy a GoPro product, right, so it comes with its own case, right, so it protects your camera. Yeah, so I thought that this would come enclosed in a case of its own to protect, because this is very small and delicate, so I got to look for a third-party case. Overall, happy, and that concludes the quick unboxing. Thank you once again, and you have a lovely day. Bye for now.